going on, everyone? Today we're going to be looking at the Boulder Tools Tire Repair Kit. This kit's pretty cool. It comes with a really nice little carrying case that fixes to Molle equipment. That way you can keep it in your off-road vehicle or wherever you need to. What comes with the kit is tire plugs, an easy X-Acto knife, a razor blade. Comes with the valve stem puller as well as new stem cores, grease, pressure checker, needle nose, spare tools. You got like a reamer for the hole as well as the plug install kit. So as you can hear maybe in the background, I got myself a hole in my tire. I just pulled the screw out, but as you can see, it's right there. So I'll show you guys how to fix this. This tire still does have pressure in it. It's sitting at about 20 PSI, but we'll run through it so you guys can see how this kit works. So as you can see, I do have a hole in my tire. I already pulled the screw out using my drill gun. Luckily, I could still get the screw out. But if you can't get the screw out, try to get these. You're going to be using these needle nose that come with the kit. And you're going to want to pull that screw out and try to clear a pathway for the reamer. Next, you're going to take the reaming tool. This is this guy right here. This tool is dirty because I've already used it once before. You're going to push it into that hole. And you're going to try and shove it and twist to clear a path for the plug. Once you have that in, you can pull it out. You can hear it's going to leak a little more air, but that's okay. I'm just going to keep going until I have a hole big enough to fit the plug. Next, I'm going to take one of these plugs and install it in this tool. As you can see, it'll fit through there. You will need to use the needle nose a little bit, work it through there. These are sticky and they are stiff, but I'll be right back. Once it's installed in there, you're going to take your grease. You're going to dip the tip. Now with the tip lubricated, you're going to head back over to your hole. Now this part can be tricky and it does take time. So if you're getting frustrated, don't worry. They do provide a lot of these plugs. So if you mess one up, grab a new one, start over. It's not the end of the world. But once you have your hole out, you're going to want to push your plug in. You're going to want to just keep pushing on it and working it. As you can see, that grease helped a lot until your plug's in to about there, okay? Once your plug's in there, you're going to use this plunger to pull and leave the plug behind. So I'm going to pull and push and work with it at the same time. You can see there, plunger pushed the plug off into the tire. One last thing you can do if you want to, this is optional. You can take your razor blade and you can cut that plug flush. Once that plug's installed, I have a little bit of cleaning agent here. It will bubble if there's a leak. And you can see there are no bubbles. It is not leaking anywhere. So that plug holds. I'm gonna keep my eye on it, make sure after you install one of these, keep your eye on it, make sure it is holding. But I've used these before and they are a really great product. In my experience with Boulder Tools and their tire repair kit, it's a really well thought out kit. It comes with amazing instructions. And the first time I did this, I followed those to a T. They all made sense and they worked flawlessly. So head over to Boulder and get yourself a tire repair kit. It's better safe than sorry and to have one with you when you need one. Thanks, guys.